That is one large rock. The step count is unreal. I am here yet again at the trailhead. Yeah. This one's gonna be a long hike. I'm planning on going 9 miles out and back. And I gotta take this second trail right there. And it's gonna lead me all the way up to a cliff that overviews that mountain right there. So I guess there's no better time to, you know, get into it than now. Gotta get my shoes on. It's also freezing outside, and there is fresh snow up on the mountains. Kind of melted. Well, let's get started. Need that sun to come out. It's cold. It is very cold. This is really steep. Super washed out. There's more washed out down lower. And I'm just using this time as a break. I'm beat. I'm beat already. Made it up to the first bench. Anyways, you might have already seen it from the thumbnail. But on the menu today, I'm making crunchy French toast and bacon. Just scaling up higher and higher. And I look back, you can see my car right down there, just barely getting in the sun. Let's keep going. We're about halfway up from the first bench to the second bench. And the views are lovely. Stunning. We made it to the top of the second bench. Feels good. It should be pretty flat for the next mile or so. Which path should I take? I think I'll choose the left path. That was nice. Crazy. You can't really tell on here, but this is an epic view hiking. We're about to peek into the sun right now. Just up there a little bit, and I saw this. Woo! And we see our first point of interest right up there. White Rock. That's pretty high up. Oh, and that sun feels good. I found a stream. Which way to go? Okay, looks like I keep on going that way. Looks like the ascent starts now. And I saw my first animal. You can see some deer right up there on the hill. You can see the silhouette of one of them up there. It's kind of cool. It is incredibly steep. Wow. It's nice up here though. It's quiet. This is the steepest part, in my opinion, so far. I've just made a grave mistake by taking the wrong turn. So we gotta backtrack down this steep hill. I guess the trail should have been pretty obvious. Whoops. This is the trail. What a view. We're about 1,250 feet in elevation. This is about the same that I was when I hiked last week. My only concern is how muddy it's gonna be coming on the way down because there's a lot of snow. Found it. That is one large rock. This thing is gigantic. It's a nice view. Oh, okay. Found a spot to sit. I didn't realize when I picked this spot that there's just this big old drop off. The views are worth it. Now, I'm debating on whether I go further or not. I mean, I've already gone 3 miles. I am tired, so I'm not sure what to do. I might just hang out here for a bit and think about what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I want to walk further with it being snowy and the trail's gonna get muddy, which they're gonna be muddy anyways. I just don't know if I want to walk back that extra 1.5 miles. Well, I'm just gonna kick it back and hang out for a second. I don't know where to set you. Actually, right here might not be bad. You'll be a little tilted, but I think it's good for now. It's peanut M&Ms that I'm going to enjoy. I think that's pretty neat. Yum. Jerky time.
Hello.
Katie says hi. I think I made my decision to cook here and not head further over another 1.5 miles because 2 reasons. One of them, well, they're kind of the same reason, but one of them is that there's a lot of snow and the sun's coming out and I don't want the trails to get muddy. And 2, the trail to get over there goes down and crosses, I don't know if there's a bridge or anything, but crosses a stream. But since the sun's coming out, the snow's all melting and I can hear it and it sounds pretty full. So I think what I'm gonna do is make food here. Like I said before, we're making French toast and bacon. Bang. Raspberries. The French toast mix. The crunch to the crunchy French toast. Bacon for the bacon, obviously. This buttermilk syrup, which is just heavenly. Glass probably wasn't the best thing to bring. What are you gonna do about it? Pan. Plate. Wooden spatch. Stove. Oh, that was so close to that all falling. And fuel. Our current cooking situation is going to be right here to cook with this kind of view. I'm not sure where to set things, to be honest, so we'll figure it out. I really got to be careful with this because I do not want this to fall. So first up, we're probably going to cook the bacon. Bacon and a view, what's a man to do? Might be a new slogan. Is indeed cooking. I should have brought a thing of tongs though. You know, if you got any mountains to go up to nearby, go up to them. Just flipped it. We're looking mighty good. Let's give it a try. Absolutely splendid. But my thoughts are putting this into a bag, putting the bread in the bag, and then moving the bread to this bag, and then that's how we do it. Might work, might not. I'm going to take this bread out, give it a good shaking. Now we're just gonna pour it in. We get our first piece of bread. throw it in there. Try coating it on both sides. We'll open up this and we'll transfer the bread into here. And just take this and just mix it around. Ton of grease left over in there. So we're gonna come and grab, really get it on there. So we're gonna grab our crunchy boy and lay him down. Let me throw my next piece of bread in here. I'm gonna try flipping it. It's getting crispy, I'll say that. You can see a little bit of the browning on it. I'm gonna continue making all of them. This is the second one. I just laid it down. I'm just gonna probably just cook these two. I don't think I want to eat 4 things of French toast and probably a quarter pound of bacon and walk back. Not for me. But yeah, we'll let this one cook. We'll eat it, and then we'll head back down. What a view. What a killer view. Just threw the raspberries on there, and now it's time for the buttermilk syrup. This stuff is so good. That looks good. The syrup looks a little odd. Forgot utensils, so I'm gonna have to eat with the big spatch. Just kind of just saw off a little piece. This syrup is really off-putting. But is it delicious? Yes. Very much so. It's also freezing cold. I'm just gonna... Yum. That is delicious. I'm gonna keep this on because my hands are freezing. Good stuff. That syrup looked crazy. Crazy work. I'm gonna try to warm up my hands before we head back down. Let's pack up. All right, stove is all packed up. Well, I think I have everything packed up. All right, we just got down off of this. And yeah, it was a little bit of a climb to get up there, but we managed. That is definitely top 3, actually, if not top 1 breakfast spots I've had ever. I almost just ate it going down there. I think I walk down this trail and then take a left. Yeah, if I just go this way and down this motorized trail instead of keep on going up this hill, that should bring me down to the other side. What a great day. What a beautiful day. Wow. It's really cleared up. It's warming up too. What a fantastic day. see my car. Down there. Right there. Somewhere. I don't know if you can see, but I see it. We're on the home stretch. You know what, just for the sake of it, I'm gonna try doing a time lapse. Even if it doesn't turn out good, I'll still put it in the video. Oh my gosh. My legs are absolutely toast. I'm cooked. Okay, we just finished. And let me give you the review of how we did. This is on my watch. On the watch it says we did 4 hours. Distance on here 7.1 miles. On the AllTrails app that I use, it says 7.5, so we'll just call it 7.3. The step count is unreal. 14,474. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, calories burned 2,000. My ascent was about 2,000 feet. I am going to change into Crocs right now. Oh my gosh. That's gotta be top 10 feelings of life of all time. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you. Consider leaving a like and maybe even, actually not even maybe, subscribe if you're already here, because why not? You finished the video, so might as well subscribe and watch the next one. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do next week, but we'll see you then. Adios. Oh no.